we all want to do something in our life. We want to achieve success. We want to climb the mountain of success, but we don't know what we exactly know, what do we exactly want from our life. We don't have the clarity to do that. So in this video we are going to learn about 5 methods that will definitely help you to know about your life and to find your purpose of life and to plan for a meaningful life. So let's check out the video. The first method is about get clear on what you want. Actually, we want so many things in your life. We love this, we love that, we love so many things, but we have not the clear idea to what we should focus on, what we have to do in our life. We live in a society where people are overwhelmed with opinions, thoughts, inputs and beliefs of others. We are just guided by others. We don't know ourselves. We don't know exactly what we are. Clarity is the important and the basic foundation to design a meaningful life. To design a meaningful life, we can practice simple techniques like meditation. When you do meditation, you will know your inner thought, you will know your potential after meditation. Mind mapping is a diagram that is visually organize information in a step-by-step process. You can connect the mind mapping into your thoughts, your potential and your interest and your goals. According to that, you can plan your lifestyle and you can plan your future goals. Then second method is about prioritize the things. When you have got clear about the things that you really want to do in your life, you might come up with various things to do. That may be like you want to quit a job, like you want to go to abroad, or like you want to earn crores of money. Figure out what is the most important thing that will definitely make the difference in your life. Focus on that thing and take action to achieve that thing. The next method is to create a plan. So after getting clarity, if there is no plan, you will maybe diverted to various way in your life, because the world is full of noise and shor saraba. So you, after clarity, you just plan yourself what you exactly want to do, the step by step processes. The real designs start when you plan for your future, when you plan for your goals, and be like the architect. Create a plan, go into step by step process, go into the smaller parts to smaller parts, clear about every aspect of your plan, and build a healthy home and build a meaningful life for you. Then the fourth method is set a deadline. Setting a deadline means you have to clear that project you have to complete within this month, this year, or this time. The dead zone, the time zone should be limited. You should fix your budget, you should fix your time, and you should fix your proper planning. So if you want to quit junk food in new year, if you unable to quit junk food in new year, then you will feel bad for that, you will feel bad for your action, and you will never do that again and again. That's why time limit, time boundary is important for your life. The next method is about be flexible and open minded, because the world is changing day by day, minute by minute. Everything is changing within a second. So we have to cope up with our society, our situation, and upcoming technology. Nothing is fixed in this world. We have to accept the changes. We have the willpower. We should ready to learn the new things that coming to our life. We should ready to accept all challenges that will coming towards our life. So be confident, be strong enough to challenge your problems. And one more thing, never fear for failures. Failures is the part of our life. Without failure you can't get success. So for success, failure is most important, and failure will help you to stand strong. That will help you to fight against your challenges. So be strong, be healthy, and design your peaceful and purposeful life using these 5 methods. So if you find this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Friends, one more thing, I am an English learner. I am making this video to improve my communication skills. If you really want to improve your communication skills, you can comment me in the comment section. Thank you so much.